Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Grandpa's Garden. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn writing an invitation. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned making a greeting card. So now this, I hope you remember. Otherwise, you may watch this video lecture again, and this concept is going to help us to write guided short informal invitations to friends and family members to demonstrate the use of following conventions: purpose, date and time, venue, name of addressee, and sender. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yunus, verse 25, and Allah invites to the home of peace and guides whom he wills to a straight path. Allahu Akbar. Yes, my dear students, but what this beautiful verse is telling us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala invites us to the home of peace. And what is home of peace? Jannah. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent prophets, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us Quran. Why? Because Allah wants us to follow the straight path, to do the good things, to do the best things to reach to Jannah. So we should work very hard every time. Whatever we do, whatever we say, we should do it according to Quran and Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And you see, beta, invites. Allah invites. So inviting is a big thing, right? And we use it in our routine. We invite people and people invite us. How do we do it? We are going to learn it. So what is an invitation, and how do you invite someone on your special occasions? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what is an invitation? An invitation is a proposal for other to do something with you. Like you are going to celebrate a day, you want to do something and you want other to join you. So you invite them, okay? And while preparing an invitation, we try to make sure it is accepted, because we want others to join us. We want them to come. And people join us in our task or celebrations. To family members and friends, we write informal invitations. But still it has some rules. Because you are writing them, you are inviting them, you want them to come to join you. So there must be few rules. To bring an acceptance in response to an informal invitation must contain some information. That is called convention of an invitation. Okay, so you are inviting them, you must include these conventions in your invitation. And what these conventions are? Number one, purpose. Why you are calling them, why you want them to come to you. Reason to celebrate or invite, why you are so happy, why you want them to join you. One thing. The second is date and time, means when it will be celebrated or done. If you want, just come and join me. When? What will be the time? On what date? Okay. The next is venue, where to come, place of celebration. So you say to your friends, okay, come on, let's all of you join me in the party. Where to come? The place where you are arranging that is known as venue. So you must decide a venue and tell this to all the invitees. Name of addressee, whom you are inviting. Okay, so the person whom you are calling for this party, you must write their names. And name of sender means who is inviting them. These are all the if any of the information is missing, your invitation is incomplete and people won't come, because we want them to come and join us. That's why we should mention all the things: the purpose, date and time, venue, name of addressee, and name of sender, right? And how do we do it? Let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do: teacher will draw or write an invitation following the model given on page number 66 of your book. Teacher will call students one by one to the board to fill in the invitation. Teacher will keep changing the title of the invitation. This practice will go on till the time all the students are clear with all the conventions of the invitation. So teacher, this is how you're going to do it. You will draw this pattern on the board, call the students and tell them to fill it up. You may change it like, come and join me on my brother's birthday, or on my sister's birthday, or on my success celebration, something. So that students understand for every purpose, whatever the purposes could be there, and how they have to write the invitation. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? All of you have completed this invitation. Good job. Now we are going to do it in your book. All of you open your book on page number 66. This invitation is there. Now you will complete this invitation in your books. Every one of you, this is your individual activity. Pause the video, complete the task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay. So here is a project that is given in your book on page number 67. This is your homework. You will make an invitation. So the pattern which you learned today, you will follow the pattern and you will do it at home. This is your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned, we learned to write guided short informal invitations to friends and family members to demonstrate the use of following conventions: purpose, date and time, venue, name of addressee, and name of sender. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.